Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day, a good start to your week, and welcome to week 3 of Puchy's Memy Mondays YouTube hop. It is a hop being hosted by Puchy Tats here on YouTube. She is also Puchy Tats on Instagram, and basically we are uploading videos every Monday for the month of August, and we are making Memorydex projects. It's been a whole lot of fun so far. Some of the ladies are doing tutorials, some are doing process videos, and some are creating more than one Memorydex card and sharing that. So lots of fun and inspiration, and a lot of the channels are doing giveaways too at the end of the hop. So make sure you watch all of the other ladies that are participating in the hop. All of their information is in the description box below, so you can follow along. And I do apologize, guys, my video is really late this week. I just did not manage my time well at all, and I had planned to, upload it and be done with it at 6 when it's due, but it just didn't happen. So I managed to do it before the end of the day. So I did use this die on my Memorydex. It's just a die that I had in my stash that creates a little basket with this piece here that creates like a little fabric liner and a handle. So I thought that was cute, and I really wanted to use that in one of the Memorydex cards to create like a little berry basket. And then I used this really cute Memorydex die set from Scrap Diva Designs from Erica's shop. And I just love this circle Memorydex card. It's a great die just to make a base for just any Memorydex card, really. So I used this piece here, and then the circle, and the top layer with the stitching. So those are the 3 pieces I used from this set. And then, of course, I used the Strawberry Milkshake paper collection by Prima, designed by Garcia. And this is my Memorydex card. I think it turned out cute. It was a lot quicker than some of the other ones I made because of the die, I think, and just I kept it a little more simple, but I still think it turned out really cute. So instead of making it a shaker, I decided to use some acetate that I had in my stash, and this one, I don't think the gold shows up, but it's a gold like grid paper design. So that's what I used here, and the Strawberry Milkshake paper. And then I just did some layering here at the bottom. I added some cheesecloth. Here's the little basket I created with the die that I shared. And I just thought that was cute. I don't really have a picnic basket die, so I thought this was like the next best thing, to have like a little basket that you could still, fill with some flowers and little strawberries. And then I love the little book stack here, so I added that from the ephemera. And it says Sweet Diary and has a little bit more strawberries on top of the books. And then a little teacup with this cute little fox inside, and the little fox is from the puffy stickers. So I think it's like a cute little scene. And I had already laid everything down, and then I did want to add charms to this one. If I had not glued the teacup down already and like added foam and everything, I would have probably added the beads to the handle on the teacup, but I had already glued it down when I thought of the beads. So I just added them to the handle of the basket here. And I've got this little pink strawberry and a little red bead. I love these strawberries. I bought them in pink and red, and these are from AliExpress. And this one's just a little red bead from my stash. So there's my little Memorydex card for this week. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hopping along with us. And again, everything is in the description box below for you to hop along and watch the other videos, and just leave a comment, because for my giveaway I'll be looking at the comments for all of the videos. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.